Most people get this wrong when they hear about Sweatcoin. They think it's a simple app that pays you real cash just for walking. But here's the truth no one tells you up front. It doesn't work like a normal money app, and that confusion is where most users get disappointed. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Sweatcoin works in 2026, what you can realistically earn, and whether it is actually worth your time. By the end, you'll know if it fits your lifestyle or if you should skip it completely. Let's get straight into it. Sweatcoin is a step tracking app that converts your outdoor steps into a virtual currency called Sweatcoins. So instead of earning dollars directly, you earn points based on your movement. For example, if someone like Alex walks 5,000 to 10,000 steps a day, they slowly accumulate Sweatcoins in their account. But here's the problem. Those Sweatcoins are not the same as real money you can withdraw to PayPal or your bank. That's where most beginners get confused. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can still use Sweatcoins to redeem rewards. These include discounts, gift cards, fitness products, or sometimes limited cash offers depending on your region. So the value depends heavily on what deals are available at the time. Let's break it down practically. Imagine John uses the app daily for a month. He walks consistently and earns a decent amount of Sweatcoins. Instead of cashing out like a normal app, he checks the marketplace. He might find a discount on headphones or a small gift card deal. That's where the value comes in, not direct payouts. But here's the key limitation you need to understand. The earning rate is slow. You won't get rich, and you won't replace income. Even active users usually see it as a side motivation tool, not an earning app. Now, let's talk about whether it is worth it in 2026. If your goal is to stay active, build a walking habit, or get small rewards for something you already do, then yes, Sweatcoin can be worth it. It basically gamifies your daily movement. But if you are expecting real income, cash withdrawals, or fast earnings, this app will disappoint you. Another thing you should know is battery usage and step accuracy. Since it tracks movement in the background, it may slightly affect battery life, and indoor steps are not always counted accurately. That's something many users notice after a few days. So here's the final verdict. Sweatcoin is not a money-making app in the traditional sense. It is more of a fitness motivation app with small reward perks attached to it. If you go in with the right expectations, it can feel useful and even fun. If you go in expecting income, it will feel like a waste of time. To sum it up, Sweatcoin in 2026 is worth it for fitness motivation and small rewards, but not for earning real money. That's the honest breakdown most reviews don't clearly explain. If you want more real app reviews like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps you avoid wasting time on apps that don't deliver real value.